Want to ace your test in just a few minutes? Watch this video. What are the forms of energy in living organisms? Energy exists in two forms: kinetic energy, energy used to do work; potential energy, stored energy in chemical bonds. Define bioenergetics. It is the study of how energy is used and transformed in living organisms. How do organisms obtain energy? Organisms break food molecules to release energy stored in their chemical bonds. What is the mode of nutrition for plants and animals? Plants make food through photosynthesis. Animals depend on ready-made food. What are redox reactions? Reactions involving the gain, reduction or loss, oxidation of electrons. Can electrons be a source of energy? Yes. When their arrangement changes, energy is released. What is the role of ATP in living organisms? ATP provides energy for cell functions like movement, transport, and synthesis. What is the structure of ATP? ATP has three parts: adenine, a nitrogen base; ribose, a sugar, 3 phosphate groups. Why is ATP called the energy currency of the cell? It stores and provides energy for all cellular activities. How is energy recycled in cells? ADP is converted back to ATP using energy from food breakdown. Define photosynthesis with its equation. Definition: the process in which plants make glucose using carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Equation: 6CO plus 12 hydrogen oxide plus light right pointing arrow C hydrogen oxide plus 6O plus 6 hydrogen oxide. How does carbon dioxide enter plant leaves? CO enters through tiny pores called stomata. Differentiate between light and dark reactions in photosynthesis. Light reactions use sunlight to make ATP and NADPH. Dark reactions use ATP and NADPH to make glucose. What is NADP+? It is a coenzyme that carries hydrogen and electrons during photosynthesis. What is photolysis? Splitting of water using light energy during light reactions. Who discovered dark reactions? Melvin Calvin, who won the Nobel Prize in 1961. What is the function of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and converts it into chemical energy. What are photosystems? Clusters of pigments in chloroplasts that absorb light energy. Define pigments. Substances that absorb specific colors of light, e.g., chlorophyll. What are limiting factors in photosynthesis? Factors like light, carbon dioxide, and temperature that affect the rate of photosynthesis. How does light intensity affect photosynthesis? Higher light increases photosynthesis until it becomes constant. What is the effect of temperature on photosynthesis? Photosynthesis increases with temperature but stops at very high or low temperatures. Define cellular respiration, a process where food is broken down to release energy as ATP. What is aerobic respiration? Respiration in the presence of oxygen. Equation: C hydrogen oxide plus 6O right pointing arrow 6CO plus 6 hydrogen oxide plus energy. What is anaerobic respiration? Respiration without oxygen, producing less energy. What is alcoholic fermentation? Breakdown of glucose into alcohol and carbon dioxide without oxygen. What is lactic acid fermentation? Glucose breaks into lactic acid in the absence of oxygen, e.g., in mussels. Differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic needs oxygen, makes 36 ATP. Anaerobic, no oxygen, makes 2 ATP. Why is fermentation important? It helped early organisms survive and is used in making products like yogurt and bread. What are the steps of aerobic respiration? Glycolysis: Krebs cycle electron transport chain. What is glycolysis? The breakdown of glucose into pyruvic acid, releasing 2 ATP. What happens in the Krebs cycle? Pyruvic acid breaks down, releasing carbon dioxide and energy. What is the electron transport chain? A series of steps that use electrons to make ATP in mitochondria. How many ATP molecules are made in respiration? Aerobic respiration, 36 ATP. Anaerobic respiration, 2 ATP. Define photosynthesis and respiration. Photosynthesis makes glucose using light. Respiration breaks glucose to release energy. What is FAD? A coenzyme that carries hydrogen, turning into FOD during respiration. Write the complete equation of respiration. C hydrogen oxide plus 6O right pointing arrow 6CO plus 6 hydrogen oxide plus ATP. Why is energy not released only in the electron transport chain? Energy is also released in glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Why are more chloroplasts in palisade mesophyll? Palisade cells get more light, so they have more chloroplasts to absorb it. What is the importance of ATP recycling? Recycling allows continuous energy supply for cellular functions. If you found this video helpful and want more short notes on your class books, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more updates.